Alright, welcome everybody. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to mock up our logo, okay? We're going to put the logo on this tote bag and we're going to put it on the cup. We're going to put it on this tote bag with this beautiful lady and we're going to put it on this cup. Okay, how do you do that? It's very easy to do, okay? So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into it. Okay, the first thing is to create a document, 3000 by 3000, and just have your document open like this. And you just need to come to the element tab and scroll all the way down till you see this mockup. Okay, mockup right here. Click on the see all and you're going to see a ton of mockup. Okay, so what we want to do is this packaging. Okay, click all and just scroll down until you see the one you like this one. We are going to use it, and you just need to scale it, make sure it fills your design, and click a new page and just look for something else. Okay, we don't have the other ones here, so I'm just going to go back and I'm going to go to this living home and apparel, and we have the one of this lady here. Just click on it, it's going to come into your design, then scale it. Okay, this is not the lady that I used before, but we can use this one, doesn't matter. And come here, click another one. Okay, now that we've brought everything inside, all we need to do is to come to this first one, go to your download folder, and any logo that you've imported into your Canva, you can have it there. And all you need to do now is to drag and hold. While still holding, you're going to see this little icon there, this dotted line. Just let go. It's going to take a while and it's going to replace this placeholder and your image will be there. It's as simple as that. Okay, we're going to come to this one, drag this one, let go. It's going to take a while and boom, you're done. Okay, while it's still loading, you can actually come to the next one, drag and let go. While still loading, you can come to the next one. You don't necessarily have to wait most times. You just need to drag and let go. Meanwhile, it's loading. You can come to the first one. You can see it's done so that you don't waste time trying to do your stuffs. Okay, so you can notice that this one is pushed to the side, but we want to bring it into the design. So how do we do that? Once your image is selected, you're going to see this edit. Okay, this edit is different from the edit that you have been seeing ever since, because once you click on this, it's going to show you the logo itself. So what we can do is to push it into the frame, because we are seeing now that we have this space. Probably it's in this edge. You can say it should fill, you can say smart crop, you can say alignment. Can align it to the center, but I don't want it to be in the center because that's where it was, but it wasn't showing. So we're going to push it to the side. So I'm not going to be using the alignment tool. I can actually detach the image if I want to remove it, but that's not what we want to do. Okay, so we have it this way now, and let's just give it some time. Okay, you see that it's pushed to the middle, so now you have to adjust until you get what you want. So let's click on it back and wait for it. All right, now we have it like this. Okay, let's say you want to change this image. Okay, you want to change the logo. Let's say you drag in the wrong logo. So how do you remove this so that you can put it back in? Okay, the trick is very simple. All you need to do is to come to this edit again, and this panel is going to load up and we can just simply detach it, and that's it. Once you have it like this, you can come select your logo and you can just say detach image. Okay, once it's detached, now you can delete it and replace. I dragged it again and it's trying to replace it again, so I'm going to click again and come and say detach. Okay, what you can do is when you are moving object here, you just have to be careful because it can just simply replace it. Okay, you can see it's highlighted. If I let go now, it's going to replace it. Okay, but I don't want it to replace, so what I can do is to press down my escape key, and that will be it. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the video. I'll be finding it helpful. If this is your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until next time, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.